Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Garbo Court, Monroe Close, Salford M6 to show you this beautifully presented 2-bedroom top floor apartment that is just a stone's throw from Buile Hill Park. As we enter, we go into an welcome entrance hallway which provides access to 2 double bedrooms. As you can see, the main bedroom is a really good size. The property also benefits from beautifully presented communal gardens throughout, along with communal parking. As we head through, we've got this lovely new modern fitted bathroom that's only fitted within the last 5 months. Over to the second bedroom, which again is a good sized double. And we have this tastefully decorated lounge just through here, which provides access into the new kitchen diner, which was only fitted in 2022. As you can see, this property is of a really high calibre throughout, decorated to a lovely standard, and is ideal for someone who is looking for a property that they can just pack their bags and move in. With an easy access transport links throughout Manchester, including through to Salford Quays, Media City and Manchester City Centre, along with being within easy access of local schooling and several well-kept parks, including Buile Hill Park, like I say, just a stone's throw away. Would be a great first-time home or investment. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.